Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. Thank you. And what about you?
I am doing great.
Okay. Yes. Now I think it's okay. So how is everything going on? I'm not getting your voice. Hello.
Hello. Now, can you
Yes.
hear me?
Yes. Yes. I can hear you now.
So,
Now I can hear you properly.
these days, are your holidays or you are busy?
Uh, No, today is my week of holiday for Gudi Padwa. So I'm free.
You mentioned like you had a few festival going on. Has it finished?
Okay, before this, yeah, there was a function going on in my place. Shiv Puran, we call it as Shiv Puran, and it is for 7 days, and now it has completed.
So, what type of festival it is like? Because I don't know that. Like,
Okay, so today's you about today's festival. We
uh, yeah.
actually some people celebrate it as a New Year. So today is New Year for according to Hindu calendar. So people celebrate it as a New Year, and we call it as Gudi Padwa also. And yeah, today is our first day of Navratri festival also. So we worship Goddess Durga. So yeah, we are just doing.
Okay, it was just a religious festival, right?
Yes, yes, right.
Okay, that's great. So for today, we are here to just discuss the topic related to artificial intelligence. So let's say uh, when we say AI or Chat GPT or artificial intelligence, what comes into your mind first?
Okay, so I think I don't have much knowledge about it. I can say that deep knowledge I don't have, but yeah, we have knowledge like what it is and how we are just using AI and artificial intelligence. For example, uh, if you will talk about artificial intelligence, so it means that we are giving human intelligence to machine, simulation of human intelligence to the machine or computer, we can say. So so computers are performing the task according to the data that we have fed into it, and like we have a multiple collection of data, and we are just putting into the machine, and it is kind of algorithm they use, and they will provide you the correct data, or yeah, these are the things. Like we are just using some AI things like voice recognition or chat gpt, these are the things, robotics
Yeah,
and all.
yeah, you are right. Basically, AI is a thing like computer will perform the task that human usually do. Like we humans have various tasks we can think from our mind and we can perform that task.
Mhm.
But AI is basically a robot or maybe a machine that will use that operation instead of humans. Like chat gpt has replaced lot of I guess jobs these days. Like many companies they are now having like chat gpt usage in their work environment, so it is really great thing. So what do
Yes.
you think like in the future, Do you think like the AI and ChatGPT will reduce the human effort and the jobs of human will be less in the future?
Okay, I think everything has their own pros and cons. So it has also their pros and cons. So if you are losing any kind of job, because most of the things are getting automated because of this AI, and as you told that Chat GPT also. So yeah, obviously job is reducing and man efforts are also reducing. But we can't say that job will be reduced and some other jobs will increase also because of this. So we need human, because human machine, even machine can't replaced by human. I can say, because human have this kind of thinking abilities, or like we have made the AI or Chat GPT, so we have
Yeah.
more power and more thinking abilities. So yes, new jobs will also arise, but for that you should have good skills and knowledge about this thing, new technologies and whatever things we are coming in the market, like AI, machine learning, data analysis, and all these things.
Yeah, we can say this is one of the disadvantage of this AI thing. Like it is reducing the human jobs, and it
Mhm.
also like I would mention that it will lose the emotions and creativity. Like let's say if a machine is performing one task, and then on the other side you are performing their task, so the machine will only perform a task that has given to it using the algorithm. It is like specific to that case. But for human, their mind is like creative and they can do whatever they want. So we can say
Yes.
these two, yeah, things are basically the disadvantage of AI.
Yes, yes, you are
So if
right.
we
You know,
talk,
sometimes it happens. Like we have to search anything, or what we used to do before that. We were searching on a Google, and we are just getting the a lot of different websites also, and we are fetching the data from different websites, and we were using our mind, like which information is correct for us, like this. So we were doing this kind of activities, but now we have like more facilities to use some AI things. So we are just using, for example, if I'll talk about Chat GPT. So if I'm not getting any answer, so I will directly find on Chat GPT only.
yeah, but the point is like you don't know whether that answer is right or wrong, right? It just
Mhm.
you can say experience among the people, and it just sharing the knowledge based on the you can say virtual environment. It will not tell you all the practical things and all the other things related to that.
Yes, sometimes I can feel also like it is providing the wrong answer also. If you will search any answer and they will provide you the answer, and after that, if you will say that this answer is incorrect, so again you will get another answers for that thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it happens.
So it is not giving you one specific answer. It is basically giving you the suggestions like what are right, what are wrong. A few days back, I was just searching one of the medicine, like whether this medicine is good or not, like whether a person should eat in that disease or not. So it is
Mhm.
giving me, yeah, you can eat, and sometime it is giving me you cannot eat. But later on, it is like messaging me like don't eat any medicine without the recommendation of your physician. It's like that. So you cannot rely 100% on chat gpt or maybe on AI tools, because these are like just experience and suggestions based on the knowledge that is available on the webs and that are available all around the world.
But for companies, it is good, I think, like AI technology, because it is improving, we can say, the productivity of the employees. So and some of the tasks that is very repeated task, and we are just frustrated to do it by our own. And like we can say, so we can automate this kind of things because of AI technology. So for that kind of things, it is good, I think.
Yeah, you are right. Like For the task related to, I guess, specific tasks, we can do that. But for related to the things like in human life, in medicine, and in other fields, I guess it is not productive anymore. And the other disadvantage is like it needs lot of high production cost and lot of maintenance and lot of other things, because they are continuously updating their algorithm, and you are not sure like whether the information is right or wrong. So we
Yes.
have discussed the disadvantage of this AI. So let's move to the advantages. So what do you think, like what are the advantages?
Yes, so as I told you first that it increased productivity, especially in the companies if we are working on the same kind of things, repeated tasks, so it can be automated because of AI. And we are indirectly using a lot of AI technologies like as voice recognition and yeah, ChatGPT and some other chat application are also there. And I think every new day it is coming a new application also, new application and new website. I think I have heard one name, what it was. I forgot the name. It is AI, I think. AI software engineer like that. You must have heard about this. I forgot the name as of now. So yeah, every day new things is
It's
coming.
related to chat gpt.
No, no, it's related to AI software engineer. I have heard that
Okay.
you can use this kind of. Uh, I I really forgot the name. So we can use it
Okay.
for coding also, like programming. Some people are just finding the coding answers also. And if you want to write a code, so it would be easy for you if you want to perform any kind of coding task like this. So it is helpful.
Yeah, even for learning, I guess, English. So there are a lot
Mhm.
of applications related to AI. So yeah, many people are like doing that. So one of the advantage I would say, like we humans, we are usually making mistakes. So AI has one of the advantage, like it reduces the human mistakes, right?
Mhm. Yes, as you told that about English learning, so that is a plus point for us. We can learn, and yeah, most of the people are just using to improve their English, and especially some applications and websites are free, so they can use it very easily. So I think it's a good for them.
Yeah,
Okay, so
you are
do you
right.
know that how it works really? Um, I mean, their internal working.
As per my thinking, I would say like they usually have all the informations all around the world. Like they gather the information based on the surveys and based on the websites, and then they put all those information in one algorithm. So if one person like searched one thing, they will find out that specific kind of thing from all the searches and then share that with the person. It's similar like Google. Like if we write something on the Google, it also works in a similar way. So I guess it's like that.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. We are just feeding the data, and I think it
Yeah,
will provide you the answer, whatever information they have. Like if they have not that kind of information, for example, in ChatGPT also there is a data till 2021, I think. So, so it is providing answer for according to 2021. They can't provide you the recent data or recent information.
yeah. They update it every, I guess, 6 month or every once in a year. So every new year they have a new version. Right now, I guess it is 3.5 going on, and in the previous year it is 3, ChatGPT 3. So yeah, you are right. Basically, it's all
Mhm.
about like handling the data. They have massive banks related to data, and where they have like all the things going on in parallel. Like they are collecting the data and then applied that to the some mathematical model and some other models, and then getting the results. So
Mhm.
I
Yes.
guess it's like that.
So, do you have interest in AI? Like, if you will get a chance to work here?
For me, I'm not exploring that too much, but
Hmm.
if I get any kind of like you can say position or any kind of exposure related to that, I would definitely do that. But I guess it needs a lot of training and a lot of things before you can learn like what is right and what is wrong, because you cannot say if the chat gpt or ai is giving you one answer, you cannot rely it on 100%. For basic information it's good enough, but if you are making something creative and you are doing something new, for that you don't rely and you cannot rely on it.
Yes, yes, you are right. I think we need to explore a lot if we want to go in that field. And I think, like when I had done my engineering, so there was no such kind of branch also, like AI and ML, this kind of. But I have seen that now they have added this kind of branch also, like CS plus AI, CS plus machine learning, like this. So in my time, it was not there.
You are talking about which branch on chat gpt you are saying?
No, no, no. I'm talking about engineering branch, like in college.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. Like that time, there was when even when I was studying, there was no enough thing related to AI. There were just things that are just in a search. There was no enough programs for the students. But after that, they have like started.
They have started new branch also. Like they have added, like if you are doing computer science, so it is simple computer science plus CS plus AI, CS plus ML, CS plus data analysis, like this. This kind of branches they have added. So in my time, it was not there. So now I think this kind of things are increasing a lot in the market. So that's why they are training students. They are giving training to them so that they can grow in IT.
Yes. So, are you making using ChatGPT or AI for your work? Like, do you use that?
Not usually, but sometimes if I am confused about any sentence or something or any question, so that I search on ChatGPT. I
Okay.
use it, but not frequently.
So, what do you think? Like, how can we use AI or Chat GPT to learn English?
Okay, so I haven't used much application, so I can't say anything. But if I'll talk about ChatGPT, so here also people can learn because some people think they don't have partners, so how they will speak and how they will practice. So if they are free, so they can use this kind of facility. Like they are just asking any question and they are giving the reply like this, so they can learn. And if they are struggling with any kind of, if they want to learn any kind of idioms, if they want to learn any kind of vocabularies, so they can learn easily. They just need to type, we need 5 vocabularies in a day, like this, so they can learn like this.
So, do you use any application for that?
Not really.
Okay. But
For
I
English, I
heard.
don't get much time to do other things. Like we can't just give our all time in English learning only because we have multiple things to learn. And yeah, now my time is bounded. Like we can say, I have to work also, and after that, I have to upload videos, edit videos, and you already know that it takes a lot of time. So that's why.
Yeah, you are right. But I heard like there are a lot of applications related to English language,
Mhm.
related to AI tools. Uh, those application they use AI and ChatGPT to learn that.
Yes, yes. I think nowadays everything is very easy if you have mobile phones and data, so you can use it in a good manner also. And I think because of this kind of mobile facilities, people are just eager to learn this English language also, and they are making videos also. And I have seen that they are using a lot. Uh, they are using a good use of mobile phones.
Especially back in days when you were a student or when I was learning in a school and studying. That time we didn't have these kind of things. So,
Yes,
but
yes.
these days it's a lot easier.
Yes, yes. That time we had no mobile phones and we were not crazy about this thing. So, like we should have mobile phones or like this. I was really not that kind of person. I got my first mobile in college because it was necessary to click, click some photos on, and they are just sending some of the things on WhatsApp group. So that's why. And that time we didn't use it. Yes, we have to learn these things or we have to learn this. That.
For English learning, I heard like there are two application. One is Elsa application that uses all the AI and power tool to improve English, and there is also one another Duolingo. Do you know that Duolingo?
Yes, I have heard the name, but I didn't use. Is it free or how it works?
I haven't used it to like I just know that their name, so you can say I never use that as well. But it's really good to use these kind of application in order to improve your skills.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. And now we have like many options. People can learn from everywhere. But
Yeah, they have
that is the
variety
only
of
thing they
options.
have to start only. That's it. And they will find the path also. If you will, if you are starting something, so automatically you can get how you can do progress here also. Like once I started, I haven't thought about that I will do this kind of conversational videos like this. And yeah, suddenly it happened because once you start anything, then automatically you get the path also, like what you have to do.
For your YouTube channel, it's been more than 2 year or 1 year.
Yeah, it's more than 1 year. 1 year, 1.5, you can say.
Okay, that's great. You have a lot of subscriber now.
Not really, because it's a long time. 1.5 years is more, I think.
For the person who is working like full time, I can say they can grow easily. But for the person like you and me, we are having a job as well. So for us, it's really difficult, I guess, to manage these together
Yes,
with
yes,
jobs.
because we are not giving all that our all time on YouTube only, so that's why. Otherwise, we can do lot of things. We are also an IT engineer, so we have more exposure also. Like we can do lot good editing, good things. We can easily learn also, but we don't have much time to do or spend only in these things. So that's why,
Yeah,
because it takes a lot of time.
yeah. So I
So how's
guess
your
we can.
channel going on?
Yeah, it's going on well, but yeah, as you mentioned, it's really hard to be consistent and really hard to know like
Hmm.
what audience like, what type of topics and what type of videos they like. So I would
Yeah,
say
it
it's hard to
depends.
manage. Yeah,
Hmm.
but it is good for your learning and good for your like kind of exposure because if you are working here, it also improves your skills as well.
Mhm. Yes, yes. So we are getting at least one benefit of it. We are improving and we are consistent because of YouTube. So that's why.
Yeah. Okay, I
Okay.
guess we can wrap up this session. We
Mm-hmm.
can have another session maybe later on, whenever you
Yeah, yeah,
get time or whenever I will be free.
yeah, yeah, definitely.
So
Okay.
if you have any other comment or any other question, you can ask. Otherwise, we can wrap up.
No, I don't have. Actually, I had thought that I will explore little bit about this. Then only I will do. But I didn't get time, so that's why I was not able to speak a lot. So that's why.
It's
But
okay, no
anyway.
problem. Like we have, I guess we should train ourselves to talk on any topic
Mm-hmm.
without any preparation. I guess that is more better.
Yes. Yeah, right. Okay, so I
Okay,
don't have any
thank you.
question. We can wrap up.
Yeah, thank you for your session. And yeah, take care. Bye bye.
Okay.